Hello and welcome. Amazon sent me this MadeIn induction ready frying pan, and I couldn't be happier. I'm a big fan of MadeIn, and even a bigger fan of induction ready nonstick. So we are going to put this to the test. This is out of the box. I'm going to wipe it down, and we're going to fry an egg. All right, I'm going to give this a try with just the pan. Now, this is MadeIn is a very good brand that I trust and like very, very much. It says hand wash only. It's oven safe, completely oven safe, up to 550 degrees. Try not to use aggressive detergents. If stacking, store in MadeIn pan protectors or kitchen towels. All is really good riveted. It feels really good in the hand. It would help if I press the start button.
So at this point, I clicked the on button for the induction burner, and it works with electromagnetic field, and it affected the microphone on the OBS bot camera that I use. So I'm just going to go ahead and play this through at full speed or at regular speed so you can see how nice this pan worked on the induction burner. I'm really proud of it. It came out really nice. I'm kind of upset about the audio. Now, in my own defense, I only used this one time. This is the first time I ever used it. So you see me pressing the button up and down 300 and 400 degrees because I could kind of tell it was coming up on the edges a little too fast and wasn't cooking under the yolk thoroughly enough. And I was trying to use this jiggle method to see if it would pop off for me. It never really did. So as you'll see in a minute, I had to get the spatula and try to pry it off of there a little bit. But yeah, it's a little brown. Two reasons. One is I had it a little too hot there at 400 to try to speed things up for the video. And the other was the fact that I didn't use any oil or anything to help transfer the heat from the pan to the egg. But overall, I mean, I ate it. It was good. You got to see how the pan worked and how non-stick it was, which is why I did this.
MadeIn cookware. I like it. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.